Good morning, everyone. So this morning we're at a Mercedes, and it's a CLK 320. I'll drop it in. But so you can see this is a V6, and we've worked on a car like this before. So it's got 12 spark plugs because the coils are double-ended. So it's my friend's car. So he said it was cranking over but was not starting. Indeed, that was true. So we came to it, cranked it over, and it sounded like fuel. So first thing I did was I went to this is the Schrader valve on the end of the fuel rail here. So I just pushed a screwdriver into that, and indeed just a trickle of fuel came out. So it's his car, so he said, oh, it must be the fuel pump away. So I dived underneath. I'll go underneath and show you. You see we've got all the gubbins out here this morning. And you see the fuel pump underneath this thing. There we go there. So I had to remove a cover off it. There's a little cover over the terminals of the fuel pump. And this side I had a good ground, but the other side I never had it power. So with my power probe I just gave it 12 volts and here the thing started. And I said to my friend, what about the fuse? Well, first of all, we couldn't find the fuse, so we went and checked for it. In fact, I'll show you this power probe working. If I could. So there's my trusty old power probe. So if I go to that side of things here, you can hear the pump running. If I go to the other side, you hear it's got a good air. So there's nothing wrong with the pump. There you go. So I said, let's check the fuse. We've done it backwards rather than frontwards. So I'll show you where the fuse is for this thing. So here's the fuse box. Fuse box, this is in the boot, and the fuse for it is fuel pump number 1, and number 1 is at the top. And indeed, when we looked at number 1, it was empty. So he reckons he must have took it for something else. Unbelievable. So what I done was I'm not actually sure what the amperage of this fuse is, but I've got my little gadget here. You can just put that in. Put that on, we'll see how much milliamps this thing pulls. So I'll go to starter. There you go. She pulls roughly 4.5 amps, so a 10 amp fuse in there should be fine. So the moral of this story is always check the basics. But saying that, I couldn't actually find this cover to begin with, and I never actually found anything in the Veris that covered it. But anyway, that's it. Cheers.